What are the best-selling kitchen cabinet colors for 2024?
Well, obviously white is never going to go out of style. The important thing is to pick a shade of white, and with Craft Made, there's several. First and foremost, Dove White, which is a white with a little bit of gray in it, but when it stands alone, it just looks like white. It only changes when you hold it up to something with a contrast. Frost, I don't know if you can tell in the video, is a brighter white. Then there's Warm White, which is sort of got a warmer, creamier tone, and you can tell when you do that. Another good one is Moonshine. I don't have that one up here, but it's got a gray tone to it. And when paired with greens, which is becoming more and more popular, it really sets, when these are like accent colors, it really sets the tone, especially when you pick a countertop that pulls both of the colors together, and a backsplash. And also bringing into the mix blues, which have been popular, and I feel like especially here on the coast, they're going to continue to be popular. When you pair it with white, there's a striking contrast. Rainfall has a blue-green tint to it, so when paired with white, you see it's got a lot of coastal vibes going on with it. And the other one, Shortbread. When pairing all these together, adding a stain in the mix brings an element, like a transitional element when you're still wanting to stay trendy but still bring it back home. Shortbread, I believe. Yes, this is Shortbread on alder. So the stain, depending on the wood species, will change a little bit. But this is a good example because alder is very neutral, whereas cherry has an orange tint to it. But Shortbread paired with a color, paired with a white, awesome combo. And you can do the island. If you have an island, you can change the color of that. Add accents of this, like the hood, or maybe even background color inside of a cabinet. It's a really good combination to add depth when it's almost as a different texture because it's on a wood instead of just a paint. So you see the wood grain and all the characteristics that are natural to the wood. So I think that covers just about what's popular right now and what's trending into 2024.